Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video, I'm going to share you another new great DeFi project named Carbon Tax. And the website link is carbontax.finance. As you know guys, there are many scam projects that came into the market and they came very fast without paying our investment back. But the Carbon Tax is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, in future it may be profitable to you, but invest it only at your own risk. So when you open the site, you can check Carbon Tax is the latest DeFi project to release on the Binance Smart Chain, automatically farm yield while helping fight climate change. With every each transaction, Carbon Tax helps to replant trees and replenish the coral reef. Every month there will be a vote by the community to which the charity we should donate to. It is also a charity token, so you can check here. You can check it on PancakeSwap v2. You can buy it on PancakeSwap v2. It is high time there was Carbon Tax. You can check here. Carbon Tax has no affiliation with Elon Musk. Here you can join their social media account. Here you can check the Twitter, and you can check here their Telegram. Here you can check the Reddit, and here you can check this. And here you can check the Telegram and the discussion group of the site. You view live token if you want to see it on PancakeSwap. This is KuCoin app tokens. You can check here. Total supply 100,000 quadrennial and market price is $442,000. And Carbon Tax BNB LP. BNB holdings is 53.76 BNB, which is equal to $27,386. And then you go down, you can check the price of this chart, and it is going like above. And if you want to buy this token, you can simply buy this token. Here you can check the transaction people are doing in this, and here I will show you the contract. Here you can check the contract address, and here you can check balance and BNB value, and here you can check the token tracker, and you can check contract creator at NTXN. Now if you want to buy this token, you have to simply click buy on PancakeSwap v2. You will get redirected to this link. Simply click I understand button here, then click continue, then connect your wallet from here. Then you can swap from BNB to Carbon Tax. Like if I want to buy from one BNB, you can check this much amount of Carbon Tax I will get, so I can swap. Simply you will get the swap button here. If you have connected a wallet, then you can simply swap it. So I already showed you all this. Here you can check the tokenomics of this site. Original is 1000 quadrennial supplies, 50% is already burned, 11% tax on all transactions, 3% distributed to holders, and 3% added to liquidity, 3% added to fight climate change, 2% added to marketing and development. Safe investment, it is fair launch, contract is verified, ownership re-announced, and liquidity burned. Your funds are safe from in this site. And you can check how you can buy. I already told you how you can buy this. Here you can check the roadmap. Phase 1000 holders, and you can check phase 2 2000 holders, and phase 3 4000 holders, phase 4 10,000 holders. You can check phase 5 and phase 6 all that. Here you can check Carbon Tax on BSC scan. I already told you that BSC scan, and you can check the contact address being here. You can check it on, and you can check contact can be found on Binance Smart BSC scan. So you can check here. Be a part of our movement, join our social media channels, and let make us a difference together. The site is very great. If you want to buy this token, you can simply buy this token. You will get all the links in description.